हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनलॉक यूपीपीसीएस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। कंट्रीज बिगेस्ट म्यूजियम शोइंग हिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, द इंदिरा गांधी राष्ट्रीय मानव संग्रहालय, इज लोकेटेड एट विच प्लेस? हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज भोपाल। अब हम आ जाएंगे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Human society is unique because it depends mainly on, correct answer is economy. Which of the following is related to Harappa civilization? Correct answer is Indus Valley civilization, right? Indus civilization existed in, correct answer is proto-historic age. ठीक है? The period before which knowledge of the art of writing was not available is called early historical age. Indus civilization is a proto-historical civilization, although the writing was known during this period, but it is still to be deciphered. And historical period is determined with respect to the available written literature. Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryan because it was an urban civilization. Indus Valley Civilization was the earliest known urban civilization of Indian subcontinent, whereas Aryan civilization was a rural civilization. The important reason to keep Indus Valley civilization before Aryan civilization is, here correct answer is potteries. ठीक है. The knowledge of script and town planning of IVC was more developed than that of pre-Aryans. Different archaeological pieces of evidence of pottery have been found in early settlements of Mehergarh from the IVC. Pottery found during excavations proves that IVC existed before Aryan civilization. Right? Red potteries painted with black figures were the specialty of Harappan civilization. ये याद रखना important point है, whereas the grey painted potteries were used by Aryans. Indus Valley culture was different from the Vedic civilization because it had the amenities of developed city life, it had a pictographic script, it lacked knowledge of iron and defensive arrow, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 7. The source of knowledge about Harappan culture is, correct answer is archaeological excavations. Okay. Which of the following throws light on Harappan culture? Inscription, archaeological excavations, handwriting seals on the utensils, religious books. Here correct answer is B, archaeological excavations. The main source of knowledge about the inhabitants of Indus Valley civilizations is the discovery of. Here correct answer is seals. Site of IVC was excavated in the year 1921 and objects such as tools, weapons and ornaments of archaeological or historical interest were found there. But the main source to know about this civilization is seals. There were more than 3,000 seals found. Which of the following matches is not correct regarding the origin of Harappan civilization? ठीक है. M. Rafiq Mughal, Harappan civilization was inspired by Mesopotamian civilization. E. G. H. Mackay ने क्या कहा है? Migration of people from Sumer. Mortimer Wheeler, migration of the idea of civilization from Western Asia. Amlanand Ghosh, pre-Harappan culture matured to make Harappan civilization. तो पूछा है not correct, ये ध्यान रखना है, right? कि क्या पूछा है, correct या not correct. तो not correct is option A, that is M. Rafiq Mughal. M. F. Rafiq Mughal considered that the development of Harappan civilization occurred in the region of Ravi River at Harappa. He refutes the old belief that Harappan civilization was inspired by Mesopotamian civilization. ठीक है, और बाकी किसने क्या क्या कहा है वो तो वहां दिया ही हुआ है एक्सप्लेनेशन में, आप पढ़ भी सकते हो। मैच करना है लिस्ट वन को लिस्ट टू से। हड़प्पा, हस्तिनापुर, तक्षशिला, कौशाम्बी। तो हड़प्पा का हो जाएगा दयाराम साहनी, ए का 3, तो सी में ही दिख रहा है, मैच हो गया। हस्तिनापुर का हो जाएगा बीबी लाल, तक्षशिला जॉन मार्शल, कौशाम्बी एनजी मजुमदार। इसका ईयर देख लेना। Earliest evidence of silver in India is found in the, here correct answer is Harappan culture. Harappans were familiar with silver. The evidence of its proper use has been found from Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Which color was commonly used in the Harappan pottery? Right, here correct answer is red. The beginning of idol worship is to be considered in, correct answer is pre-Aryan. Pre-Aryan period is considered as the beginning of idol worship. Idol worship was prevalent in Indus civilization, and it is evident from the coins discovered from Mohenjo-daro having the seal of God. ठीक है, they probably worshipped mother goddess in addition to male and female deities. Which one of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? Not represented, ठीक है, सील्स पे कौन सा जानवर नहीं था? तो काऊ नहीं था, एलिफेंट, टाइगर, राइनोसोरस सब थे। तो कौन से जानवर थे वो सब पता होने चाहिए। तो एलिफेंट, राइनोसोरस, टाइगर, डियर, sheep, etc. are depicted on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture, but the cow was not depicted on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan cultures. ये important है, IAS प्री 2001 में आया हुआ है। Which one of the following is not a Harappan site? Chanhudado, Kotdiji, Sohgora, Desalpur. Correct answer is Sohgora is not a Harappan site. सोगोरा कहाँ है? गोरखपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, उत्तर प्रदेश में। A copper plate inscription of Mauryan period has been found here, which gives us information about the storehouses present here. Chanhudado, Kotdiji, Desalpur are Harappan sites. और ये कहाँ present है? Chanhudado and Kotdiji, Pakistan. Whereas Desalpur is located in the Kutch region of Gujarat. यहाँ मैच करना है एंशियंट साइट एंड आर्कियोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग्स। लोथल, लोथल का तो सभी जानते हो, डॉकयार्ड है। तो ए का 2, अब देखो 2 कहाँ है? ए में, बी में है, डी में है, तो ए और सी कट हो गया, राइट। अब है काली बंगन, तो काली बंगन का है प्लॉट फील्ड, बी का 1, देखो ये बी में भी है, डी में भी है, बी का 1, ठीक है। अब है ढोलावीरा, ढोलावीरा का है an inscription comprising 10 large sized signs of the Harappan script। तो ये है सी का है 4, ठीक है। तो ये है बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, राइट। और डी का 3 हो जाएगा बनावली, टेराकोटा रेप्लिका ऑफ ए प्लो। A plot field was discovered at Kalibangan. In which of the following Harappan cities furrows of plowed fields have been found? Again same question. कालीबंगन। यहाँ जितने भी इस क्वेश्चन में साइट्स दिए हैं वो एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं। लोथल are located along the Bhogwa River, tributary of Sabarmati in the Gulf of Cambay. Kalibangan town is located on the bank of Ghaggar River in Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan. ठीक है। Kalibangan has given the evidence of the earliest plowed agriculture field ever revealed through excavation. An inscription comprising 10 large-sized signs of the Harappan script was found in the Dholavira of Harappan script. बनावली कहाँ पर है? हरियाणा, right? Fatehhabad district of Haryana, from where a terracotta replica of a plough was found. कौन सी साइट कहाँ है, क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट, क्या पाया गया है वहां से, ठीक है, वो याद रखना है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सेम क्वेश्चन दे दिया है, हड़प्पा, लोथल, कालीबंगन, मोहनजोदाड़ो, ठीक है। और लिस्ट 2 सिमेट्री R37, डॉकयार्ड, डांसिंग गर्ल स्टैचू, फरोड लैंड, ठीक है ना। देखो ये हड़प्पा का सिमेट्री R37, लोथल का डॉकयार्ड है ही, मोहनजोदाड़ो से डांसिंग गर्ल स्टैचू है, कालीबंगन का फरोड लैंड, तो इसका आंसर है डी। यहाँ भी दे दिया है मैच करने के लिए, ठीक है। तो हड़प्पा किस नदी के किनारे था, ठीक है, तो ये है रावी, राइट। ए का टू, टू ये बी में है, ठीक। फिर अब देखो ये हस्तिनापुर, गंगा रिवर, नागार्जुन कोंडा, इसका है कृष्णा हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सी का 4, सी का 4 ये देखो मैच हो रहा है, ठीक। एंड देन पैठान, पैठान कहाँ है, किस रिवर के किनारे, तो ये गोदावरी रिवर। हड़प्पन सेटलमेंट रिवर ऑन विच लोकेटेड, सेम क्वेश्चन आ गया, तो हड़प्पा का हो जाएगा रावी, ए का 3, तो ए और बी में 3 दिया हुआ है। फिर है काली बंगन, ठीक, तो इसका हो जाएगा घग्गर। देन लोथल, लोथल का हो जाएगा भोगवा, सी का 1, और लास्ट में है रोपड़, तो रोपड़ का हो जाएगा सतलज, ठीक है। ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। हड़प्पा का रावी, कालीबंगन घग्गर, लोथल का भोगवा, रोपड़ का सतलज। Harappa was situated on the bank of river Ravi. Great Bath was found from the Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro. Great Bath is one of the well-known structures among the ruins of the ancient Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. The Great Bath was found at the archaeological site of, same question, Mohenjo-daro. From which archaeological site of Indus Valley civilization the figures or models of boat are found? ठीक है, यदि किसी को नहीं भी पता होगा तो लोथल सब जान रहे हो कि डॉक यार्ड कहाँ था, ठीक है ना, तो ऑप्शन डी मोहनजोदाड़ो एंड लोथल, सिर्फ लोथल को ही देख के ये आप पता कर सकते थे, ठीक है ना। ये यूपीपीसीएस प्री 2022 में ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है। क्ले मॉडल बोट्स हैव बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम लोथल्स एक्सकवेशन, क्योंकि जहाँ पोर्ट होगा वहीं बोट्स वगैरह पाई जा सकती है। फ्रॉम मोहनजोदाड़ो सील्स हैविंग मॉडल ऑफ बोट वेयर डिस्कवर्ड ड्यूरिंग एक्सकवेशन। Which of the following statements about the Indus civilization is not true? Accurate drainage system in cities, ये सही है। Trade and commerce were in an advanced state, ये भी सही है। Worshipping of mother goddess, this is also true. People knew about iron, no, this statement is wrong. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization. ठीक है, they were not familiar with iron. Drainage system was advanced and covered with slabs. Trade and commerce were in an advanced stage, right? Pieces of evidence of both internal and external trade have been found. Many pieces of evidence of worshipping of Mother Goddess from Indus Valley civilization have been found. Based on findings of excavation of Harappan civilization, what are not true? For all kinds of constructions, same size of bricks were used. Not true पूछा है, ठीक है ना. Mostly all the houses were single story. Main roads were on average 10 meters in width. सिंगल स्टोरी सभी हाउस तो नहीं थे, तो ऑप्शन 2 को पकड़ो. ठीक है. और फॉर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन सेम साइज ऑफ ब्रिक्स वेयर यूज्ड, ये भी सही नहीं है. तो 1 एंड 2, ऑप्शन ए. छत्तीसगढ़ पीसीएस 2022 का क्वेश्चन है. चलो इसको देखते हैं. एक्सप्लेनेशन. बोथ बेक्ड एंड रॉ ब्रिक्स वेयर यूज्ड. ठीक है. Generally, the dimensional ratio of burned bricks received from all the Indus towns was 4:2:1. However, ornamental bricks from Kalibangan and curved bricks from Chanhudado have been found. Most of the houses built in the Indus Valley civilization were built with one story only, but some houses were also built with two stories, as evidence of stairs have been found from some houses. Width of roads in Harappan cities was generally 10 meters. Indus Valley civilization is known for its town planning, for Mohenjo-daro and Harappa for their agricultural work, for its industrialization. Select the correct answer. Here all the options are correct, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4, all. Which of the following is not correctly matched? आलमगीरपुर उत्तर प्रदेश, करेक्ट. लोथल गुजरात, ये भी सही है. कालीबंगन हरियाणा, नो. कालीबंगन is located in राजस्थान. Which district? हनुमानगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. रोपड़ ये पंजाब में, ये सही है. अब देखो. It was discovered by Luigi Pio Tessitore, an Italian Indologist, and was excavated by A. Ghosh in 1950-52 as a Harappan site. The excavations revealed that the western mound was a fortified enclosure with rectangular salients and towns. Right. Question number 31. Which of the following centers related to IVC are situated in उत्तर प्रदेश? तो यहाँ पे आंसर है आलमगीरपुर एंड हुलास. 3 and 4. यूपी से जो भी रिलेटेड साइट्स हैं आईवीसी का, वो सब याद रखना है. उसकी क्या क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, सब कुछ याद रखना है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ठीक है. आलमगीरपुर is situated in Meerut, UP, and Hulas is situated in Saharanpur, UP. Which one of the following Harappan sites is in Gujarat? तो ये है लोथल. Which of the following archaeological sites related to Indus Valley civilization are situated in present-day Uttar Pradesh? Mandi, Rakhigarhi, Hulas. Here correct answer is option C, Mandi and Hulas. Mandi कहाँ है? मुजफ्फरनगर, UP, located in Muzaffarnagar district of Uttar Pradesh. A hoard of Harappan gold ornaments was found here. Hulas, a late Harappan site located in Saharanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है ये भी याद रखना, राइट, इंपॉर्टेंट है. राखीगढ़ी ये है हिसार डिस्ट्रिक्ट, हरियाणा. For the Harappan cultural sites and their position, which of the following is not correctly matched? आलमगीरपुर उत्तर प्रदेश सही है, बनावली हरियाणा, दायमाबाद महाराष्ट्र, राखीगढ़ी राजस्थान। नॉट करेक्ट पूछा है। हियर ऑप्शन डी इज रॉन्ग। राखीगढ़ी कहाँ है? हरियाणा। और किस रिवर के किनारे सिचुएटेड है? घग्गर रिवर। ईस्टर्न बाउंड्री ऑफ द Harappa culture is indicated by which of the following? Manda, Harappa, Alamgirpur, Rakhigarhi. Here correct answer is Alamgirpur. Eastern boundary of the Harappa culture is indicated by Alamgirpur, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Western boundary is indicated by Sut-Kangedor, Baluchistan, Pakistan. Northern boundary Manda, Jammu Kashmir. Southern boundary by Daimabad, Maharashtra. ठीक है, आज का क्वेश्चन हम यहीं तक रखते हैं फ्रेंड्स। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अनलॉक यूपीपीसीएस को। थैंक यू।